Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Fragment account and purchase Telegram stars, Telegram premium, Telegram ads, Telegram username, and other services for cheap. You can purchase the Telegram premium and the Telegram stars on the Telegram app from the settings, but I think this is costlier. For instance, to get 100, let me click on buy star, to get 100 stars, it costs 1.99, but if you are purchasing from the Fragment app, it will cost approximately $1.35. So this is cheaper, especially when you are buying large quantity. This is way cheaper. So let me show you how to do this. So the first thing, you want to open your Timekeeper app. I know before now, like as of last year, Fragment doesn't need any requirement to purchase anything, but I think for safety and for verification purposes, they decided to implement the verification for all accounts. So once you're on your Timekeeper app, you go to browser. Analyze browser, you go to NFTs. Under NFT, you tap, you see Fragments. If you don't see Fragments, tap on all and select Fragments from the section, from the option. Sorry. Once you tap on it, you wait for it to load. So this is how the interface look like. You see, you can buy username, you can buy phone numbers, you can get gifts for someone, you can buy star, you can buy premium, Telegram premium, you can also buy ads. That is for creators and for those that want to advertise. So the first thing you want to do is tap on this icon here, then you connect your account. Okay, let me log out. I will reconnect my account. So tap on this place, then connect Telegram. You see mine is connected, but usually it will send you a authentication code where you have to accept or authorize on Telegram. So the next thing you want to do is tap on this connect turn. Then you see this connects to Fragments. You put your fingerprints. I see it's connected. So let's get straight to the verification process. You tap on my profile. You see this account is unverified. I don't know why this wallet is disconnecting by itself, but that shouldn't be an issue. You can always reconnect it. So you see unverified. Then you tap on verify my account. Just this to connect the wallet. So this account verification load up. You see, you select where you are from. If you are from the United States or from all countries, tap on this. I don't know, the procedure might differ, but it's similar. It's the same. So you tap on continue. So this option, let's get you verified. You provide an identity document, perform a liveness check, and provide personal information. So you tap on. So you select your country of residence, select your means of identification, document type, and then you tap on continue. And then, so it will give you can upload or you can take a photo. So I will upload. You tap on continue, and then I don't want to take a picture, so I want to upload a document. So let me just upload it. In this place, you upload the front and the back side of your document. So let me just go and choose one. So once you are done uploading, I see both the front and the back side are uploaded. You tap on continue to go to the next. Then I think the next step is to perform a liveness check. So you tap on continue and you grant camera access. Only just need for you to rotate your head in a circle to complete the verification. And on this place, you need to just input your address line. Let me just input it. So in this down part, once you have done filling your address, this down part, you input your task country, your gender, your phone number, your email address, and your Telegram username or your ID. I will show you how you can get your Telegram ID in another video. So, but for now, I'm using my username. Then you tap on continue, and then just wait for it to process your data. So you might decide to save. I want to save it. So you see your profile has been verified. So go back to account. You can see identity verified. So once this is done, I can do anything. I can decide to buy Telegram premium, I can buy for a user, buy for myself, anyone I want to do. So that is just how to verify your Fragment.com account. Do let me know if you have any problem or if you have any question, and I'll attend to it in the comment section.